So once again, we are here for the debate. But before starting the debate, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Sanskriti Chaubey, daughter of Mr. Yogen Chaubey and Mr. Seema Chaubey. I have completed 12 last year and currently preparing for entrance exams. I like mango just like papaya. My hobbies are dancing and making the advice. I want to become an engineer in my future.
And now let me introduce myself. Myself Madhu Patel, daughter of Mr. Vandavan Patel and Mr. Gam Patel. I read in BSc 4th year in Government Tila College, Katni. I like mango, I dislike papaya. I live at Jula Katni. I want to be an artist in my future. My ideal person are my parents and my hobby is drawing and painting. And I'm proud of India because I'm Indian.
So today we both are here for the debate on a very wonderful topic, which is it better to live in the countryside or village or in the city? So I will speak in favor of the city, that it is better to live inside the city. So I will put my some of the point of view about this. So as you all know that the city life is very much better as compared to the village life. We all want to live in the city. We want to have all kind of the facilities. But before talking about the other things, I would like to put our eyes in the very common and the very most important topic about the education. That the education facility is very much better in the city as compared to the village. Everyone and every student wants to go in the city for the higher education. As we all are watching that the schools and the college and many institutes are developed inside the city. Many professional teachers are teaching in their institute, and every parents want their child to study in the city for their higher education, because there is a very nice facility of education in the city, and by the education we can get so many things in our future. So the main and the basic pillar is our education, and the facility of the education is mostly watched in the city in a very nice condition, that people are getting nice education in the city. They are going for their further higher education. We all are watching that we are studying currently in our city. It is also a city, but for higher education we will go in the other city for getting the better education. So the main thing about the education is better in the city as compared to the village, as I think that the villages does not provide many and not so good education. There will be only some of the government school in the village that do not provide a nice education, and the teacher also didn't focus on the students properly. So this was my point about the education in the city.
Okay, now let me keep my points about the topic, and I am favoring with the topic that is I am in the village side. So let me tell you that firstly I would like to tell you that if you are living in the village, so you will get the fresh air which you can't get in the cities and in the countryside. But if you are living in the villages, so you will get the fresh air, you will get the space in your homes, in your means around you, and you will get the means the greenery in surround you. Okay, and as she was saying about the education, she was saying that if you have to take the education, so you will have to live in the cities, but it is not right. You can take my example. I am also living in the village, but I am coming to read in the cities. So if you are living in the village, so you can come to the city for studying, and then you can go into the village.
Again, as you said that you are coming in the city for the education, so it is totally right that the education of the city is a nice thing. That's why the people prefer to live in the city where the education is good. You are traveling from a long distance, then you are coming here. But if suppose you are living here, so it will be so easy for you to come here directly by the cycle or by walking. You need not to cover a long distance for getting a better education, because you are not getting the good education in your village.
That thing I was saying you, that if you are living in the village, on that time you are getting fresh air, so on that time your mind will be fresh, and you will be able to get the good education. Okay, so on that time it will be a beneficial for you. And as you are saying that I am coming from so far to study here, so it is better for me because it will help me to be means to be a fit by my body in a future, in a my present. But if you are living here beside the coaching and you are coming here, so you will not be able to be a fit in your future, in your in your present time, if you are not doing exercise.
People can do exercise in the city.
People
They
can do exercise, but you are not doing. If you are not doing,
So you are not doing.
and as you are saying that if you are coming, so this will be so far. So it is not a correct thing. If you are coming so far, so it is showing that you are determined from to your study, and you are if you are coming from so far to study, so you will be able to focus more than the cities people.
So as you are saying that it is good for our health, so yes, I agree it is good for our health, but sometimes it takes a lot of time also. Let's suppose if you are in the city, you can exercise also, you can build your health, but your time is going. Let's suppose you are coming from the college here, then you are going your home and then coming here, so it is taking a lot of time. In that time you can learn something else, so it is also something in the wrong side, that it will take the time also. And if I will talk about other things also in the city, as about the job opportunity, it there is a lot of job opportunities inside the city. Many people and the peoples of the village also go there for getting the job, because there will be a less job in the village. Everybody want their survival, everybody want to earn the money for their survival, and for that they go in the city for earning money, for surviving, and for earning money for their family, because there is a very less amount of job. And I can say that there is no job apart from farming in the village. People gives and people gets a lot of variety of job in the city. They discover their talent and every skill is appreciated in the city. As unlike the village, people will only assume something to be a good and other thing to be a bad side, that this is not for your benefit. But in the city we can watch that every skill is being appreciated. If whether you are going on the dancing field, study and anything, singing or anything, every field is appreciated and you can earn money from every skill. And in the city it is being watched, and in the villages I don't think that people appreciate to these kind of the things. And people always go, and whenever I will travel, and we all travel in the train, so we watch a lot of crowd moving from the village to the Delhi side or the city side for earning the money. So there is a lot of job opportunities in the city as compared to the village.
Okay, as you are saying that there is a lot of opportunities in the cities for the peoples who are living in the village. So yes, they are coming to take the job in the cities, but they are not living here for a long time. They are living only for a some time to do their job, then they go their home, then they go their means village. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that there is also a type of means, you can say that, online business and online jobs. They can do that thing who are educated. Now this time there is the era of technology by which you can do your work by the online, and many of the peoples are doing their job from their village by the online. After the corona they are working online jobs. And as you are saying that if you are living here, so you will be able to get the more opportunities according to your means, study according to your knowledge. Yes, they can take, but if you are living in the village, so you can means, you can make the jobs for others people. If you are educated and you are living in the village, so on that time you can create more jobs for the people who are not educated and who are not getting the jobs in the village. And that's why they are going and they are moving forward to the cities from the villages. And if you are a educated person, so you can means build your own business in your village, and you can hire the people for doing your work. On that time that will be beneficial for you and your villagers also.
As you said that they can do the online job, so are you getting the internet facility and high speed network in your village? As I think that there will be no network in your phone whenever you go to the village, you will wait for the tower to connect and to get into the network. So how you will do the online job in the home?
Now this time there is also a higher means, you can get a high speed data in every village. You cannot say that in the villages there is no internet speed.
As
According to me, and I can say that in my village there is high speed data available in my village. And if you are means, you can means, if you can go in my village, so you can see that if there is a high speed data facility, you can see that. And in every village now this time there is a facility of high speed data. You can't talk about this because it is not a big problem for anyone. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that if you are a person of village, so you can means, one more thing I would like to tell you, that if you are a person of village, so you can see there that there is a good community. Means there is a community of the persons which who means the heads of those who cannot work for themselves. Means in the villages, if you are a person who cannot work for yourself, herself and himself, so on that time other peoples from your community, he and she will help to you. But in the cities you can see that if there is any neighbor of you, on that time if there is any problem to you, on that time he will not come to help you. But in the other side, if you are living in the village, on that time, if you are in any trouble and you are facing any problem, so on that time your villagers and your neighbors will come to help you. That is the main factor of village.
As you are saying that of the community, so in the city the people of the different states are going for working for living, so they are also forming their community. Let's suppose I will take the one area of the Delhi, so there many people of the different states are coming together. They are knowing about their religion, they are knowing about the others religion, they are knowing about the others culture also. So there is also the diversity and the unity in the one state where the peoples of the different states are coming together for growing and for getting the job. So there will always be the community and the helpness of the people in each and every state of the India, whether I am talking about the village or the city. But in the cities we are watching the peoples are going and they are forming the community, so there will always be the diversity and the community in the cities also.
No, it is wrong. If you are saying that the person of village is coming to work in the cities, on that time he will not think that I will help to any other person. He will think that I will work, and I will only earn money to send my parents who is living in the village. Okay, he will not think that if anyone is there, so I will have to help him. And one more thing I would like to tell you that if you are living in the village, on that time you will be able to find the small, maybe can that small happiness, and the in the occasion of any means, you can say that in the occasions you will get the small happiness. But in the in the cities you will not get that thing in a small occasion.
So-
you will get that thing in a big occasion. Okay, so that is also a big factor to live in the village.
So as you are getting the happiness inside the village, so are you getting the health facilities as well as the with the happiness? Because we watch in the villages there is a very less amount of health facilities. If I will talk about the hospital, so there will be only one or maximum two hospital inside a village, and when there will be an emergency, so that hospital will also refer that patient into the higher hospital of the city. So there is very less health facility there. If somebody is suffering from a normal disease, so they can get cured. But if somebody is suffering from a big disease like cancer or anything, so for that they will have to go to the city, they will have to visit the big hospitals of the city for getting
If you don't mind, I think that this is enough, and you have taken too much time to go over. And today we are also listening. If you will leave into the village now, so there will be no heart disease.
Yes, sir. There will
So
be
that
good
will be also
environment.
benefit. Okay,
But
don't
somewhere-
mind. See you soon with another lens.